let's talk about that voice inside your head. You know the one I'm talking about. Yeah, that one. The one that chats with you when you're all alone. A lot of us kind of hide this voice, thinking it's something we should be ashamed of.
But what if we've got it all wrong? What if it's not a weakness, but a strength?
I mean, think about it. That voice has been with you longer than absolutely anyone. From playing as a kid to right now, that voice has been your constant companion. See, for a lot of us, we learned early on that not everyone was safe to talk to. So you found the one person you could always trust, yourself. It became your own support system. And here's the cool part. Science actually shows your own voice is like medicine. It literally quiets the scared part of your brain and lets the smart part take over. So the myth says it's weird or you're crazy. The truth? It's a sign of pure resilience.
And it's not just one voice in there. It's more like a team of voices.
You've got the scared part, the angry part, the sad part, and yes, the kind part. Okay, so what do we actually do with all this information? How do we work with it? It's pretty straightforward. Just 3 steps. Stop judging, start listening, and talk back kindly. So next time you catch yourself talking out loud, don't panic. Just think, okay, I'm listening.
Then really tune in. What's it saying? Is it being mean? That's probably just an echo from the past.
So if it says, you're stupid, you can just say back, no, I'm learning. It's self-protection. Because really, what is this inner voice? It's proof that you never, ever gave up on you. Even when things got really hard and you felt all alone, that voice was still there. Because deep down, that voice is love. It's your own love for yourself, keeping you going. You're not broken for having it. You're not weird. You're just beautifully, complicatedly human. So you see, it's not a sign of madness, it's a sign of survival.
What if it's not a problem to be fixed, but a relationship to be understood?